Hello, I'm Hao He. Today, in the imperial kitchen of the Tang Dynasty, I'm recreating the top royal pastry peony pastry, one bite savoring the exquisite grace of the Tang Dynasty. Making imperial peony pastry follows strict royal kitchen rules. We use low gluten flour and clarified lard for the crust, classic red bean paste with salted egg yolk filling, and edible flour syrup for coloring pure authentic Tang flavor. The crust is the heart of peony pastry. Wrap. Short crust pastry with water oil dough. Knead smooth, roll thin and fold. Flaky layers make it fragrant, no skimping on this imperial chef's craft. The real skill test is the imperial flower shaping. After filling, pinch out layered peony petals, twist edges gently for 3D texture. Dot with pale pink flower syrup. Tang peony charm comes alive at once. Bake slowly in the gilded oven. Take it out when the crust turns golden and flaky. The rich pastry aroma fills the imperial kitchen. Everyone raves about the incredible taste of Tang imperial chefs. Tang Dynasty Imperial Peony Pastry is done. If you loved this imperial kitchen recreation, hit like, follow and save. Drop your requests for ancient dishes in the comments, and we'll unlock more classic Chinese delicacies next time.